So this is the first time for me to visit India. It's so exciting city there is. So, and another most amazing thing is that people speak English very quick. So yesterday, I was very surprised to hear the very quick conversation. But please get used to much more slowly English conversation by Japanese. Okay, so the outline of my talk is shown here. The potential uses of probiotics in clinical practice. The second one will lactobacillus for controlling norovirus and function in elderly. The final topic is probiotic as an agent for healthier lives of elderly people. So the first one is the potential uses of probiotics in clinical practice. So as you know, potential uses of probiotics in clinical practice has been extended to not only regulating bowel movements by improvement in the enteric environment, but also the altering the causes of infectious disease by activation with innate immunity, such as NK cell activation, and as well cancers and allergies by modulating the Th1, Th2 balance, and inflammatory disease by anti-inflammatory activities such as regulatory T cells, IL-10, TGF-beta. So, how can probiotics suppress a viral infection? Immunostimulatory probiotics such as L-casein strain serotyl characterized by the ability to induce IL-12 activation, which promotes the NK cell activation and the development of Th1 cells, resulting in augmentation and the host defense against viral infections, as well as cancer, and may decrease allergies. So L-casein serotyl are found to induce the human NK cell activity, right, by induction of IL-12. So my colleague, Dr. Consider, show the enhancement of NK cell activity in pepper blood mononuclear cells cultured with L-casein serotyl by induction of IL-12. So there are also other evidence of the clinically significant benefit of probiotics and treatment for rotaviral gastroenteritis. So provided with their meta-analysis. That is significant. So how about the norovirus? Norovirus is known as the most common causes of the acute gastroenteritis in Japan. So this graph illustrates the number of outbreaks of norovirus which have been reported to an American Health Department over the years. So surprisingly, nearly 2/3 of all norovirus outbreaks occur in the long-term care facilities. So the second topic is lactobacillus for controlling the norovirus infection in elderly. So physiological function, organ functions, immunocompetence, and swallowing functions decline in the elderly. So resulting in the various health problems and health service facilities for aged. So resident and facilities for the elderly live in a group and are constantly exposure to many various of infectious pathogens such as norovirus gastroenteritis. So the first study already published, and this topic is effect of the continuous intake of probiotic fermented milk containing LKSA strain serotonin and fever, and the MERS outbreak of norovirus gastroenteritis and the fecal microflora and the health service facility for the aged. So that's published in the British Journal of Nutrition 2011. The aim of the study for conducting effective risk management and long stay of the people at the health service facility, we performed an open case control study to evaluate the effect of the intake of probiotic fermented milk containing LKSA strain serotonin, fermented milk, and norovirus gastroenteritis occurring in the winter season during the intake period. So totally 77 elderly, the mean age is 84 years, quite old, enrolled in the study. So this study is conducted as an open study, just comparing the serotonin administered group and the non-administered group. The development of the norovirus gastroenteritis, which occurred in the winter season during a 1 month period from December 1st to 31st, 2006, was evaluated, which fecal samples are taken from the residents of the facilities and the administration group for fecal analysis. During this 1 month period, there is no significant difference between the two groups in incidence for norovirus gastroenteritis. Unfortunately, oops, no, there. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Unfortunately, desperate. Oh no, what is this? This is point. Thank you. Okay. This one. Okay. However, mean duration of fever after the fever more than 37 degrees after the onset of the norovirus gastritis is significantly shortened, and the LCS administration group, but unfortunately no significant difference for the 38 degrees. So, and fecal bacteriological examination, only 0.5 gram fecal samples are collected and put into the two kinds of tubes, one for the fecal examination, fecal microbiota examination, and another for the organic acid concentration. Okay. This RNA isolate from the and the RT quantitative PCR target analysis targeting the ribosomal RNA using the foreign specific primers was performed using the IF-scan at the Yakult Central Laboratory, as described in the next slide. So, organic acid concentration were measured by the HPLC system. So, this shows the mechanism of the RT quantitative PCR analysis targeting ribosomal RNA. A cell contains more than 10,000 ribosomes. However, there are only 5 to 10 copies of liposomal DNA. So in this system, all the RNA are reverse transcribed to cDNA for the real-time PCR. So sensitivity is more than 1,000 higher comparing to the using liposomal DNA. That's a point. So this PCR system help in identification of harmful bacteria such as Clostridium difficile, Enterobacteriaceae, or Pseudomonas, and which are decreased in the administrated group after ingestion. Oh, sorry, after this one, yeah, after ingestion, comparing to the pre-ingestion data. In contrast, beneficial bacteria such as Bacterium and the Lactobacillus were dominant species and figures samples from the administration group after ingestion. So that's another point. So they ingested Lactobacillus, not the Bifidobacterium, but actually the number of the Bifidobacterium increased in the administration group. That's another point. So total organic acid and the acetic acid concentration is significantly higher, and the peak pH is significantly lower in the administration group after ingestion. So there is a positive correlation between the number of the Bifidobacterium and the acetic acid concentration. So in conclusion, continuous intake of Lactobacillus casei serrata, fermented milk could possibly contribute to the alleviation of fever caused by nervous gastroenteritis by correcting the imbalance of the intestinal microbiota peculiar to elder people, although such consumption could not protect them from the disease itself, unfortunately. So this shows the probiotics for diarrhea. So this slide shows how the probiotics remove the ruminal pathogens. So probiotics float at 100 to 300 micrometers from the host enterocytes. Like a diver floating on the 150-meter very deep sea. Yes, that's the relationship. So, and prevent the harmful ruminal bacteria from the approaching host enterocytes by secreting, producing acetic acid and competing for adhesion. Oh, sorry, very tricky. Yeah, adhesion and nutrition. And some probiotics are known to secrete antimicrobial molecules such as bacteriocin. If some harmful bacteria manage to break through the those barrier, the probiotics raise the enterocyte, host enterocyte to release the antimicrobial peptide, or enhance host immunity to remote the Th70 differentiation that's against the gram-negative bacillus or something, and secretory IgA mainly. This shows a possible mechanism for relieving constipation. So the main product, metabolic product of the probiotics is, as you know, short-chain fatty acid. That is used as the energy for the enterocyte. The probiotics provided energy to the enterocyte. So main metabolic product of the not lactobacillus and the bifidobacterium as acetic acid, which are known to accelerate human chronic smooth muscle, resulting in relieving constipation. That's a mechanism. So the final part of my talk as probiotics as an agent for healthier lives of elder people. So constipation and diarrhea, as you know, lower the quality of life of the resident of the facility and require great effort by the facility staff in providing support. So residents are highly susceptible to infections such as infectious disease being intractable and prone to advance and severity. To control nosocomial infection, it is very important for the hospital staff not to become carrier of the disruptive bacteria. So the final study, the second study is entitled Effectiveness of Lactobacillus beverage for controlling infection and facilities for the elderly, a randomized placebo-controlled double-blind study. That's an RCT. The aim of the study is to clarify the usefulness of the lactobacillus casei strain xylitol fermented milk and normalize the bowel movement and improve the infection control among the residents and the staff and the facilities for the elderly. So 88 residents of the facility, mean age 85 years, and 20 staff members, mean age 37 years, randomly received the lactobacillus casei xylitol fermented milk or placebo beverage once a day for 6 months. Clinical data as a body temperature and stool frequency, and also intestinal microbiota, fecal organic acid concentration, and pH are compared between the two groups. So significantly lower incidence of fever was observed in the LCS fermented milk group comparing to that of placebo group. Also, a significant improvement of the bowel movements observed in the LCS fermented group. Okay. That's significant. So lactobacillus and the bifidobacterium numbers are significantly increased in the fermented milk group comparing to the placebo group. And the selected bacteria such as Antibacteriaceae, Pseudomonas, Clostridium perfringens, and Bifidus decreased in the LCS fermented milk group comparing to the that of the placebo group. That is very significant. The significantly high concentration in acetic acid and the total acidity of the fecal samples from the LCS fermented milk observed. So the difference in the microbiota and the acetic acid concentration level and the fecal pH were also observed between the LCS fermented group and the placebo group, and among healthy hospital staff, facility staffs as well. So this is my final slide. How did LCS lactobacillus casei strain xylitol work? Ingestion of LCS as optimize the intestinal flora by increase the number of the bifidobacterium and improve the enteric environment. So with the high concentrated acid. Yeah, I can do it. No, sorry. Thank you very much. With high concentrated acetic acid and lower pH, and affects host immunity. So optimum of the intestinal flora and the improvement of enteric acid, both of them could reduce the diarrhea by limiting overgrowth of harmful enteric bacteria, resulting in the low incidence of diarrhea and the low risk of intestinal infection and nosocomial infections as well. So, high concentrated acetic acid stimulates the intestinal smooth muscle, resulting in the rebuilding of constipation. And high acetic acid production are used as intestinal energy. And also the effect of the host immunity enhance the activation of the innate immunity, such as NK cell activity. Both of them will contribute to the alleviation of the fever. Thank you for your attention.